Hello everyone.
In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how PostGrid's native integration with ActiveCampaign can help you send letters, postcards, and self-mailers to your customers. Let's start by creating workflow automation that by triggering events send the desired mailings. To do this, navigate to the Automation menu and click on Create an Automation at the top right. Select Start from Scratch. Next, you'll choose the trigger event depends on your use case. For example, mailings can be sent when someone subscribes to a list, makes a purchase, visits a web page, and more. For this demo, we'll send a letter to customers who have the PostGrid demo tag added to their profile. So select Tag is added as a trigger event. Here we enter PostGrid demo as the tag and ensure it can run multiple times. Then click Add Start. Now it's time to define what happens when the event is triggered. Click the plus icon, navigate to CX Apps, and find PostGrid's services. Here, you'll see options to send a letter, postcard, or self-mailer using either a linked PDF or an existing template in your PostGrid account. For this demo, we'll use Send a Personalized Letter with an existing template in your PostGrid account. To proceed, connect your PostGrid account with ActiveCampaign. If you are setting this up for the first time, click Add New Account and copy your API key from your PostGrid settings. You can use either the test or live key. Once connected, you can start creating your letter. The next steps are similar to PostGrid's API or dashboard letter creation process. You need to define the order specification. First, define the recipients by entering their first name, last name, or company name. You can use merge variable from the ActiveCampaign contact profile by clicking the lightning icon to find the appropriate field. Or you can type it using capital letters within percentage signs. After that, enter the recipient's address, and country code. Then fill out the sender's details. Once you've set up the sender and recipient, specify the letter's attributes. For tracking purposes, I'll name this ActiveCampaign demo so we can follow it in the PostGrid dashboard. Next, you'll need a template ID. Copy the ID from your PostGrid template page and paste it here. In this demo, I'm using a template with two merge variables, first name and code. The first name is automatically populated from the recipient's information, but for code, we'll manually add a value. You can define up to 10 merge variables or input JSON to cover more. Once everything is complete, click Finish. The last step is to activate the automation. Now, whenever the PostGrid demo tag is added to a contact, a letter will be sent to them. Let's test it by adding the tag to a contact with a valid address. I'll use Olivia as an example. After adding the tag, refresh the page and you'll see that the automation has triggered under the Recent Activities section on the right. By clicking the automation name, you can review the workflow's path and ensure that the workflow ended successfully. Finally, let's check the PostGrid dashboard to confirm the letter order has been placed. Yes, as you can see, a letter with the description of ActiveCampaign demo has been created. Let's check the raw data and see all the letter attributes are in place. And last but not least, the order PDF file is as what we expected. Everything looks good. The process for sending postcards and self-mailers is similar. You just need to fill in the relevant fields for those mail types in their automation. Also, if you want to use a PDF instead of a template, make sure it's publicly accessible and paste the URL in the designated field. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. With PostGrid's ActiveCampaign integration, automating direct mail becomes a seamless process. Feel free to explore different use cases and tailor the automation to your business needs. Thank you for watching.